let's say I drew these cards or I had these numbers as a result of some sort of a survey data. If I want to know what the median of these values are, firstly I order them in terms of their numerical order, and then the median just tells me I want to know what is the middle value. So if I look at how many cards I've got 5. Therefore, if I take my third card, I've got 2 on this side and 2 on this side. This makes it my middle card. So in this case, this is the median. So the median equals 4, which is equivalent or equal to the third value. So you can see statistically, it doesn't actually tell us a whole lot about it. These two numbers could be really large, and we could easily say, well, the average was 4, even though realistically I had two numbers very large. So we can make very misleading claims using a median as our average. Now if I'd ordered my data and I'd actually got an even number of cards, I can see that if I've got 6 cards, I can count in, and here my third card leaves me with 2 on this side, but 3 on this side. So this is not the middle. So the middle is actually somewhere in between these two. So what I do in this case, if I've got an even number of cards, is I take the middle 2 cards. So this leaves me with 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and now what I do is I take the average of these two using the mean. So I just say this value plus this value, and I divide it by the number of values, which is 2. So this gives me 9 over 2. Or, if you want to calculate that, 4.5. So the median of this data is 4.5, right in the middle, which in this case makes sense, because if we just go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, halfway between 4 and 5 would be 4.5. But if we don't know that, or the numbers are not perfectly numerical like this without skipping numbers, all we do is we take the middle 2, we find the mean of them, and that is our median for an even number of data entries.